Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best accessories every car driver needs, from Amazon. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these accessories are designed to make your driving experience safer, more convenient, and definitely more enjoyable. Well, you can buy these top 10 best accessories every car driver needs of 2024 that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in it. 10. Basis Car Air Perfume Freshener. Basis car air perfume fresheners are crafted to elevate the driving experience by infusing vehicles with delightful scents and stylish aesthetics. These fresheners are designed with a keen attention to detail, featuring sleek and modern designs that seamlessly blend into the interior of any car. Beyond their visual appeal, Basis fresheners excel in functionality, offering long-lasting fragrances that create a pleasant ambience throughout the vehicle. Each freshener is formulated using high-quality perfume oils, ensuring a consistent and enduring scent that enhances comfort during every journey. One of the stand-up features of Basis fresheners is their versatility in scent options, catering to diverse preferences with choices ranging from refreshing citrus and floral notes to soothing lavender or exotic spices. This variety allows drivers to customize their driving environment, making it more enjoyable for both themselves and passengers. 9. LED Floating Car Wheel Caps. LED floating car wheel caps are a modern and innovative automotive accessory that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. These caps are installed on the center of a vehicle's wheel hub and feature LED lights that create a striking visual effect while the vehicle is in motion. One of the primary features of LED floating wheel caps is their ability to emit light that appears to float or hover around the center of the wheel. This effect is achieved through clever use of LED technology and motion sensors. As the wheels spin, the LEDs illuminate, creating a dynamic and eye-catching display that can enhance the overall look of the vehicle, especially in low-light conditions. These wheel caps are often customizable, allowing car owners to choose from a variety of LED colors and patterns to match their vehicle's exterior or personal preferences. Some models may even offer programmable options where the LED colors can be changed or synchronized with other lighting features of the vehicle. 8. Rapid Charger for Car. The Rapid Charger for Car is a versatile and efficient device designed to meet the charging needs of modern vehicles and their occupants. It typically features multiple USB ports, allowing simultaneous charging of multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, GPS units, and more. This is particularly useful for long road trips or daily commutes where passengers need to keep their devices powered throughout the journey. One of the stand-up features of the Rapid Charger is its rapid charging capability. Many models are equipped with fast charging technology such as Qualcomm Quick Charge or similar protocols, which can significantly reduce charging times compared to standard chargers. This is beneficial for quickly topping up devices, even during short stops or breaks. 7. Plate Digital License Plate. Their plate is a revolutionary digital license plate that integrates advanced technology into the traditional vehicle license plate. Unlike conventional plates made of metal or plastic, their plate is a high-definition digital display panel that is mounted on the front and slash or rear of a vehicle. It combines functionality with innovative features to offer benefits beyond the traditional license plate. One of the key features of their plate is its ability to display digital messages and information. This includes real-time vehicle registration information such as registration status and expiration dates, which can be updated remotely. This eliminates the need for physical stickers and provides a more streamlined and efficient way to manage vehicle registration compliance. Another notable feature is its customization options. Their plate allows drivers to personalize their plates with custom messages such as promoting causes or displaying personal messages within legal limits. 6. Car Logo Projector. A car logo projector, also known as a welcome light or ghost shadow light, is a device installed on vehicles to project the manufacturer's logo onto the ground when the car doors are opened. This feature adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the vehicle, enhancing its overall appearance and creating a memorable impression. The projector typically uses LED technology to illuminate the logo clearly and brightly onto the ground beneath the car door. It serves both a functional and aesthetic purpose, providing additional visibility in low-light conditions while also showcasing the vehicle's brand identity in a unique way. 5. Nexer Dash Cam. Nexer Dash Cam stands at the forefront of modern automotive technology, offering a cutting-edge solution for both safety and convenience on the road. Designed with advanced AI capabilities, the Nexer Dashcam not only records high-definition video but also analyzes it in real time to provide crucial insights and alerts to drivers. Its sleek and compact design seamlessly integrates into any vehicle, ensuring minimal distraction while maximizing functionality. The camera captures footage in crisp detail, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its high-quality sensors and lenses. 4. Racebox Meter Box. The Racebox Meter Box represents a pinnacle in utility metering technology designed to seamlessly integrate into modern infrastructure while prioritizing accuracy, efficiency, and durability. Engineered with robust materials and advanced electronic components, it ensures reliable performance even in demanding environments. Ergonomic design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of any installation but also facilitates ease of maintenance and accessibility for meter reading purposes. The Racebox Meter Box is engineered to meet stringent industry standards, guaranteeing precise measurement and reporting of utility consumption data. Beyond its functional excellence, the Racebox Meter Box embodies a commitment to sustainability, incorporating energy-efficient features that minimize its environmental footprint. 3. HUDway Drive. HUDway Drive is a cutting-edge device that revolutionizes the driving experience by seamlessly integrating advanced technology into your vehicle. Designed to enhance safety and convenience, HUDway Drive projects crucial information directly onto your windshield, ensuring that you stay focused on the road ahead while staying informed. Equipped with a high-resolution display and powered by smart navigation software, HUDway Drive provides real-time updates on navigation, speed, traffic conditions, and more, all within your line of sight. This eliminates the need to glance away at traditional dashboard displays, reducing driver distraction and enhancing overall safety. The device utilizes augmented reality to overlay essential data onto the windshield, creating a transparent yet informative display that blends seamlessly with your driving environment. Whether navigating through busy city streets or cruising on the open highway, HUDway Drive keeps you informed without obstructing your view or requiring you to take your eyes off the road. 2. Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. The Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit represents a revolutionary leap in automotive technology, integrating advanced functionalities tailored for both convenience and safety. Designed to enhance the driving experience, this kit combines cutting-edge features that cater to modern drivers' needs. The kit offers seamless connectivity with smart devices, allowing users to remotely monitor and control various aspects of their vehicle. Whether it's checking tire pressure, adjusting cabin temperature, or tracking vehicle location, the Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit provides real-time updates through a user-friendly mobile app. 1. Fobo Tire. Here's a review of the Fobo Tire, a wireless tire pressure monitoring system. The Fobo Tire stands out as a reliable and innovative solution for monitoring tire pressure wirelessly. Designed to enhance safety and convenience, this system offers real-time updates on tire pressure and temperature directly to your smartphone via Bluetooth connectivity. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a few simple steps to pair the sensors with the app. Once set up, the Fobo Tire provides continuous monitoring, alerting you instantly to any abnormalities such as low pressure or high temperature, which could indicate potential hazards on the road. The app interface is user-friendly, displaying clear and precise information for each tire, including pressure readings in PSI or bar and temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And there you have it, top 10 best accessories every car driver needs. From Amazon to enhance your driving experience. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.